So MAC just launched 10 new shades of lip glass. Now this is not the original lip glass that we're used to. This is a completely different formula. So this is called the MAC Lipglass Air, something that we've never seen before with MAC. And the biggest difference with this one and the original that we're used to is this is a non-sticky formula. Now I don't know if they're going to be discontinuing the original lip glass formula. I hope not. I don't think they're going to be discontinuing the original formula because the new lip glasses are completely different shades with completely different names. So if you want to see how the new formulas of the Lipglass Air look on and some lip combos, then keep watching. Okay y'all, so I was able to pick up 5 of the new shades. It's actually 4 of the new Lipglass Airs, and one of them is actually their new lip oil, which is a plumping formula. So the ones that I didn't pick up, I did swatch for you guys in store. So the shades that you guys are seeing on my hand from top to bottom is just a little bit of Snobbish at the top. I didn't do a full swatch of that because I forgot that I had already picked that one up. The second shade is Spritz. The third shade is Talented, which is that bright red color. The fourth shade is Aesthetic, which I wish I would have picked that one up. That's really pretty. And the bottom shade, which is the darkest shade, is called Quality. So isn't the packaging cute that says MAC lip glass with the little air and like, I don't even know what type of font this is, but it's given like high tech. It's really cute. I like it. Something completely different than what we've seen from MAC. So the first shade up is called Frosting, which is clear with some colorful reflex in it. It's sort of iridescent. Ooh, so this is how it swatches. So it looks sort of pinky iridescent. I see some blue reflex and some pink reflex in here. It has somewhat of a small doe foot applicator. Feels really thin, nothing like the original. Feels thin like a lip oil. It does have their signature vanilla scent that they have in their lip products that smells really yummy. Definitely non-sticky, and it feels creamy. So it feels a little bit more like a cream than like an actual oil, like a jelly-like cream hybrid. I think the shade is pretty. I see more of the pink reflex in it than the blue reflex, and it doesn't have that super high shine that we're used to with the MAC lip glasses. So again, this one is called Frosting. So this is the next shade, which is called Casual, and this is what Casual looks like swatched. The website describes it as a deep, dirty peach. Although it does have quite a bit of color to it, these definitely don't seem as pigmented as the original formula. If you've ever tried the Laneige lip balms, that's kind of what this feels like. And this next shade is called Instinct. Instinct is described as a warm beige. This one almost looks exactly like my skin color. The next shade is called Snobbish, which is described as a bubblegum pink. And this shade does look pretty similar to the original Snob lipstick, which was like a bubblegum pink lipstick. Yeah, very similar, but these are quite sheer. They honestly feel more like lip balms than they give the shine, more of a shine of a balm. Feels super comfortable and plushy on the lips. Snobbish actually looks a lot better on than I thought it would. And the last lip product is another new product to MAC, and it's called the MAC Lipglass Blow. Blow is actually a plumping oil. Call this shade Ginger Zinger, even though there's only one shade, which is this sort of clearish color. It's infused with ginger, so it's going to definitely give you that plumping effect that I feel like it's probably going to burn. But let's go ahead and try it on and see. Love the packaging of this one as well. Now this one does have a fuller doe foot lip applicator. The other side of it has a little dent in there. I wish that the other ones had the same applicator because I prefer it to be a little larger. This applicator does apply a lot more comfortably than the skinny one that's on the other ones. And the Lipglass Blow definitely has higher shine than the Lipglass Air. Borderline burning, and it definitely has a strong ginger scent. Okay, so it's like 1 minute later, and it really is burning. It's like on that high end of like a burning plumper. So Extreme. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a couple of quick lip combos just to see how the new lip glosses look on top of like lipsticks. So I'm gonna line with MAC Chestnut with Call It Cozy lipstick from MAC. And then I'm gonna put Casual lip gloss on top. Gonna take Cork lip liner from MAC with Peach Stock lipstick from MAC, and I'm gonna add Frosting Lipglass Air on top. This applicator does make it a little bit difficult to get the product onto the lip, and it's so stiff that I feel like when you go on top of your lipstick, you'll kind of pull the lipstick off. So it's probably best applied with like a makeup brush, you know, or like a lip brush, because you almost have to baby it to get on there because of this applicator. Back in with Cork lip liner with Cream Cup lipstick from MAC. This used to be one of my go-to lip combos. And then Snobbish lip gloss air on top. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, the applicator is borderline annoying. It makes it really difficult to get the product on. When you pull it out of the component, only a little drop gets on the tip. But I do think they're pretty. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Have you guys picked up any of the new MAC Lip Gloss Air? Are you interested in picking them up? I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'll have everything listed down below in the description box or either right there on that YouTube shopping tab. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ariel. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and occasional lifestyle vlog. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars.